What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Nump Effects channel. I'm your host Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Jurassic World inspired tranquilizer gun. Now this is non-functioning, it is a display prop only that I made so it can go in the truck. So let's just jump right in. Now in my opinion, this thing is pretty cool. I added in the armor numbers, the little embossing labels on the top here and in various places. Just give it that little extra touch. I'm still going to go in and weather it a little bit more, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to call it done. So thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me stay in the workshop. There is also a newly launched online store on our website. There's also the Etsy page, and then of course our social medias. Guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.